Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at Oliver's Apparel Passage Pants. These are Oliver's most popular pants and from the looks of their website are the best selling product overall. I have also reviewed their Convoy tee and it's still one of my favourite overall merino wool t-shirts. You can watch that video by clicking up in the top right hand corner. The Passage pants come in 9 colours and the first pair I tried here is the dark navy in a size 31. However, the size 31 was quite a bit too large for me. So I exchanged them for a size 30 in the blue steel colour. When I compare both the dark navy and the blue steel to my Outlier slim dungarees in the blue tint grey colour, I find that the blue tint grey slim dungarees are most similar to the Oliver's dark navy colour. The blue steel is slightly more light than the dark navy, however I like both colours and in fact all of the colours available on their website. In terms of sizing, I usually wear between a 30 and 31. I wear a size 30 in the Outlier slim dungarees. Originally I went for the size 31, but it was really quite a bit too loose through the waist for me. Even with the belt, it felt a bit too loose. The size 30 fits me perfectly around the waist without a belt, although they are slim cut pants. So they do feel a little bit tighter than pants that I would usually wear, but they're made from a 4-way stretch Cordura fabric that is very stretchy. So they never really feel too restrictive. Across the waist there is about 15.75 inches on the size 30 and the leg opening is quite narrow too at about 6.5 inches across. These pants are made from a strong and durable Cordura fabric with a 4-way stretch. And they have a built-in crotch gusset which all go towards making these really comfortable pair of pants to wear in any situation. Unfortunately they don't have any kind of water resistance or water resistant coating. However, they do dry extremely quickly. I hung them out in the sun for about 20 minutes and they were bone dry. The Cordura fabric feels slightly thinner than the fabric used on the Outlier slim dungarees and isn't woven in a grid-like pattern in the same way. But it still feels very nice in the hand and is very hard wearing. I notice the material does make a slight swishy sound while walking in quiet areas, as you can hear here. But that's probably only if your legs are very close together and if it's a very quiet area. In everyday use, I never really noticed this sound and it was never a problem for me, but it is something to note. The pants are probably best suited to medium and warmer climates as well. These pants also have some really nice and fine details which make them feel very premium. In particular, I really like the rubber-tipped zipper pull on the fly as it's very comfortable and smooth to use. It doesn't catch and it also tucks away very nice and quick. The coin pocket is also quite large and off to the outer edge rather than the inner edge, as coin pockets usually are. This made it a great place to store sunglasses while out and about. Finally, they come in at $148 US, which is about 250 Australian. This is about $50 cheaper than the Outlier slim dungarees, which are probably the closest competitor to these pants. Overall, a really nice pair of pants, and I frequently find myself reaching for these over the Outliers recently, as they fit really nice and are great especially in the warmer weather. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos and be sure to leave a comment down below of what are your favourite pants for travel.